So sa low carb, what you will eat, protein, vegetables, ito yung mga above ground, fats, some fats. So olive oil may fats. Avocado has fats din yan. You're going to chew it 3-5 times lang, hindi kayo mabubusog. So you tend to get another serving. Sabi ni Doc, eat whenever you're hungry. Okay, nilulunok na lang yan. Kaya nasasobrahan sa protein. You need to chew it properly. So how many carbs? So ito, moderate. You can do the moderate, 1 cup of rice a day. Pero lahat ng mga processed tinapay, tanggalin nyo na. Inaalaw ko yon dun sa mga hindi kaya. Hindi naglo-low carb, pwede kayo mag 50 grams or 100 grams. Unti-unti nyo. Then, makikita nyo kasi yung changes. After 1 month, lumuluwang ang damit. After 2 months, lumiliit ang tiyan. Dati ako obese. Laki ng tiyan ko nun. Okay? So, ano yung iinumin natin? Water. Primary na iinumin natin talaga is water. Yung coffee, tea, cocoa, these are concentrated fluids. Pag concentrated fluids, ibig sabihin may kulay. Madalas mga Pinoy, pagka hindi uhaw, hindi umiinom. You need to drink kahit hindi na uuhaw.